odbornú architektúru Holandska.
Druhý deň. V Rotterdame sme sa nalodili a počas noci sme trajektom prešli z Rotterdamu do Anglicka, konkrétne do mestečka Hull.
Z mestečka Hull sme išli do mestečka Warwick, kde je krásny hrad a krásne záhrady.
Dnes sme išli busom do záhrady a wildparku v Cotswolds.
Videli sme krásne zvieratá, napríklad nosorožce, zebry a žirafy. A vláčikou sme prešli celú záhradu.
Našli sme aj Hedvigu, teda sovu Snežnú, ale otočila sa nám chrbtom.
Asi vyzerá Harryho Pottera.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time...
Štvrtý deň výletu, nachádzame sa pred Gloucesterskou katedrálou.
Natáčala sa tu niekoľko dielov Harryho Pottera.
Think of what I'm saying. We can work it out and get it straight or say goodnight. We can work it out. We can work it out. Life is very short and there's no time for fussing and fighting, my friend.
Ahojte, nachádzame sa v Londýne
A máme krásny výhľad na Londýn.
Z Londýna sme sa presunuli do Canterbury.
A nachádzame sa pred Canterburskou katedrálou. Z Francúzska z mestečka Calais sme sa presunuli autobusom do Belgicka do mestečka Brugge.
City dweller, successful fella, thought to himself, oops, I've got a lot of money. Caught in a rat race, terminally. I'm a professional cynic, but my heart's not in it. I'm paying the price of living life at the limit. Caught up in the centuries, anxiety. Yes, it preys on him. It's getting very simple. Lives in a house, very big house in the country. Watching afternoon repeats and the food he eats in the country. He takes all manner of pills and piles up analyst bills in the country. Oh, it's like an animal farm.